Okay, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is the afternoon of December 8th, 2021, and we're going to keep this show moving along now. That's a mistaken. That's a mistaken. We should be moving on to Ohio, the great state of Ohio. Now, of course, we always got to remind ourselves that of the shenanigans that went on in the governor's office back in the first quarter of this year. The governor's office came out and said, "Well, we made a mistake. We undercounted COVID-19 deaths by close to 4,000 in the fourth quarter." But of course, rather than going back and fixing the fourth quarter numbers, he simply added the missing numbers, the 4,000 missing 4,000 deaths on the February 11th, 12th, and 13th of 2021. Okay, and you'll see exactly what those numbers did in just one moment. Is anybody else streaming? We should know about GM Hakamura. So why does this happen? I don't know. I don't know why these titles are so small for it. That doesn't really make any sense to me. But anyway, you can see here for February 11th, 12th, and 13th, you can see how basically dwarfed all the numbers before and afterwards. So what we do is we replace those three numbers with the average number of deaths for those 3 days. And this is a much better fit. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's one other thing the governor's office did. Sometime in the early spring, I think around March, they went from a 7-day reporting cycle for COVID-19 deaths to a 5-day reporting cycle. If that's not enough, it doesn't appear that it's always the same 5 days. Okay? It doesn't appear it's always the same 5 days. I don't know. But anyway, nonetheless, the trend is still our friend, and the trend up through July was down. Then in July, we saw this big spike back up over here, and it looks as if there may be a bit of a declining pattern down and through here, possibly, hopefully. What about monthly cases? You could basically see the same thing here. The long, long declining pattern of COVID-19 cases up through July. Then a big increase back over here again. All right, a hiccup, a dip, then another hiccup for cases over here. Okay, so that's a brief and to the point report for the state of Ohio. Thanks so much for stopping by, Buckeye Nation. Be sure to come back at 8 p.m. on Twitch this evening. Description and link in the description below for Dave's Data Analytic channel. Okay, Buckeye Nation, that does conclude your report for today.